Installing a PCIe riser assembly. Align the screw holes of the PCIe riser card with the corresponding holes on the riser cage, and then install the PCIe riser card. Fasten the 3 screws to secure the riser card. Install the PCIe adapter. Connect the PCIe riser power cable to the riser card. Align the edges of the PCIe riser assembly with the edges of the node, and then install the PCIe riser assembly and make sure it is securely seated. Fasten the captive screw to secure the PCIe riser assembly to the node. Connect the PCIe cable to the system board. Install the GPU air duct. Install the top cover.